No matter where your vehicles are, no matter the time or day, in the unlikely event of a vehicle fault, you'll be glad you're connected. With Hino-Connect, if a severe fault is detected, an alert is delivered straight to the driver through the multimedia unit along with a recommended course of action. This ensures the driver can remain informed and respond quickly, leading to better on-road performance. At the same time, you'll also receive a notification along with your Hino-Connect specialist. Now, having all of this at your fingertips allows you to plan ahead, stay informed, and book a Hino dealer service should one be required. If your truck requires a repair, you'll be supported through every step of the process by your Hino-Connect specialist, with liaison between you and the dealer, and track and oversee the repair progress to get the truck back on the road quickly. Isn't it time you got connected? Hino-Connect, next generation telematics with superior business intel and support. That's another Hino advantage.